What's up, everybody? This is your favorite homeboy, and today I have a special guest, Maddie Galera.
Hi.
Our first Marcel intern. She's gonna learn everything and put us all out of a job. And we're gonna make her YouTube famous too at the same time. All right, in this video, we're gonna get a reaction of Maddie watching a video of this home on Cherrydale 4 months ago when I first walked through it, and get her reaction to how it looked. And after she watches this video, we'll show the video. You can watch that video right here if you haven't seen it yet. And then we're gonna walk through the home after that, and you'll wanna stick around because I'll point out things that I did to the house and why I did it. We'll even talk a little bit about numbers as well. So, ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do this. Okay, we're at the house. It's a cute little 3-level townhome. It is a corner unit, which I do like. It's a good sized living room.
Yeah.
I like that. We have this kitchen here. This is kind of like a home office setup.
Kind of, yeah. And
Hobby room. So this is the master. You can tell it's a pretty decent size. And this is the bathroom with the vanity separate. And then the shower bath right here. The bathtub's over here. Probably would have to retowel that, so. What are your first impressions?
All of the bathrooms need to be redone.
Okay.
I think that's my first impression of
Okay.
it. You know, the house has a good layout. I think it definitely has good potential.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just needs some fixing up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about that full bathroom idea downstairs?
Yeah, I like that idea.
Yeah.
I think it would make sense to have a full bath down there.
Okay, cool. All right, let's go see it. You ready?
Let's go.
We're walking towards the house.
The carpet out of the stairs.
All the carpet gone.
This looks so good.
We put that carpet to rest.
Yeah.
I wanted like a light fixture that kind of was like kind of nice and fancy in the entryway. And then we added this railing. So that way, you know, it just kind of makes it more safe for people going up and down the stairs.
Yeah.
And this is the first half bath right here. This is the only toilet we kept.
Goodness.
Yeah, but we put like all hard surface countertops and put a fan in there.
Wow.
This room's kind of easy. I mean, really just new flooring.
Yeah.
All the windows are brand new, so we replaced all the windows and put blinds up. So just keep it real clean. There's no light in here, but it's one of those homes where you just kind of turn on the lamps and stuff. So, all right, let's go into the kitchen.
Ooh. Oh, new appliances. That's my favorite thing.
What do you think about
I love
the
color
kitchen?
of the cabinets. I really love this.
The blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I think it looks really nice. And the backsplash is really good too.
No, we kept the cabinets. We didn't replace them. We just painted them all white. Yeah, and it turned out great.
It looks good. It looks really good.
So everything was like, you know, still usable condition. And then we just, you know, put the new countertops on.
The countertop was really nice.
Yeah. The fridge sticks out a little bit. I could have got like a counter depth fridge, but those cost a little bit more, and it's a rental, so it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
And then the dining room light, put something kind of splashy there. Kind of like the cheaper version of what we saw yesterday.
I love this light. I just really like this style.
Yeah, cool. So yeah, it's kind of just nice and bright. You know, before it's kind of dark, a lot of wood.
Yeah.
And so I figured just make it real white on top and then keep it contrasting on the bottom with the blue color. And then the blue I think goes well with the brown, the hickory. All right, let's go upstairs.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are in the first bedroom.
I like it. I like that there's no carpet here.
Yeah, we just ripped everything out.
It makes the room feel bigger without carpet.
And the whole house kind of just kind of melds it together with the same flooring everywhere. Ideally, especially on a rental home, if you can get rid of all the carpet and just put LVT, something that's sustainable and, you know, it's resilient to water and to wear, then that's really the best. That's what we did in this house. It's all LVT. All right, well, this room is our tiniest room, but it's the second bedroom.
Cute. It's cute.
Good enough.
Again, I like the
consistency.
Yeah, the consistency is good.
We replaced all the smoke detectors, and then some of these grates were kind of like rusty and stuff. So just little small cosmetic things. One last room. Well, actually, we're going to the bathroom.
I like the tile in the shower.
Yeah.
I like this little.
You did a good job. This little nook.
Yeah, I like the little nook. Yeah.
We put the curved shower head. I mean, you could have done like a glass door, but we decided to save a little bit of money and just kept the shower curtain. We saved the glass for the master.
Yeah, it still looks good. I like this.
So it's cool because this is a different style of stone than the rest of the home, because sometimes they have like inexpensive, I guess you can call it leftover pieces.
Okay.
And so we were like, you know what? Each bathroom can just have like a leftover piece, and you can save a little bit of money instead of buying like a whole slab. All the toilets are Toto, which is my favorite brand. I like to get the toilets that flush a lot of stuff down, so you have less likelihood of needing a plunger. So these are Toto toilets. All right, so that is the first full bath, and you have a little hall closet there.
Oh, did you replace the doors?
No, just painted them. Yeah. You know what? I think they were replaced.
Yeah,
you might be right.
I think they were louvered.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Oh, that's nice. Wow, wait, is the room actually this big?
This is the master.
Wow. I thought it was smaller than this. This is a good size.
Yeah, it's good long room with the walk-in closet.
Nice. Good size. Cute.
And then on this room, we added a door here because this was one of those old bathrooms that didn't have a door. So we added a door right here, and we took out the door right here. That way the whole bathroom is in a doorway.
Yeah, that's good.
Again, kind of the leftover granite, or actually that's quartz also. And then we put the glass door here.
I love this shower.
Check out the tile and that also.
Yeah, I like this little tile here.
And they did a backsplash on this side.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, kind of like make it look real long.
Doors. Oh, like, that's nice. I like the track it's on.
Yeah, it's kind of like barn door style.
Yeah.
And whenever I tile a shower, I try to go all the way to the ceiling. That way, it just gives it that dramatic height.
Yeah. It makes it feel taller, the ceiling. You know. This looks good.
This turned out really good. I thought so too.
Yeah.
And again, LVT even in the shower area, because it's not any type of paper or wood product, so it stands up well to it. All right, now we'll go to the basement. Next, we're gonna look at the new bathroom that we added downstairs. We added a full shower, and all we did was basically move it out this way.
Ooh, I like this. I like that it's a full bath now. I like the consistency with the
backsplash.
Yeah, with the backsplash.
That's just my lack of creativity.
And that they all have a nook.
Yeah.
I actually like the kind of uniformity of it.
Yeah.
It's sort of like.
If you remember, like from my house, I just can't come up with one design for each shower. It's just too much. I'm just like, all right, whatever works for all of them.
Because the uniformity sort of makes it like a little bit less trendy, which means it won't go out of style.
Yeah, I try to pick something that's pretty basic, that's not too trendy. Yeah. So yeah, this is great. We just pushed this out, replaced the toilet, and added the typical vanity. Now, if I was to have him redo it, because if you notice, this is a little low. He just replaced the light where the existing light fixture was versus relocate it. I probably would have had him relocate it and move the mirror up a little bit.
Yeah.
But I figured small. Not a big deal. We can always do it in the future if we're ever repainting this bathroom. All right, this is full bath. Now, the reason why we need a full bath is because we have a bedroom.
Okay.
All right, so now we get to our fourth bedroom. So we added a closet, we added a door, and now it's a bedroom.
Nice.
Because every bedroom has to have a closet and it has to have an egress route. So if you have that door out there, then that's considered egress. I know, this is a big closet.
Yeah, wow, this is so big. I like it.
And it was easy, just adding sheetrock is cheap. So you just adding sheetrock and framing it, and you have a closet. So that was really cool. And now you can say you have a bedroom with like a fireplace in it.
Yeah.
Or it's very versatile. They can use it just as a living room or a secondary living room, movie room, whatever. But by adding the door in the closet, now you can advertise it as 4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
And that helped a ton. All right, let's go outside. So, really just all we did here was cleaned it up a little bit on the shed. We cleaned this out so they can use it. The floor was rotting, and so we put like new flooring down there. And so for renters especially, they're always moving to have stuff to store. This is great for them. All right, that is the house tour. And just to give you some numbers, we bought the house for probably around $200,000. And new roof, new flooring, new kitchen, new bathrooms, all new appliances, all new toilets except for one. He did some digging around the side there because there's a potential leak. So just in case, we kind of waterproofed the side a little bit. New windows, we talked about that. New fixtures. All that came out to about $50,000, plus the water heater, new water heater too. So $50,000 we put into the house, and I haven't checked recently, but the house is probably worth around $300,000. So even with the $50,000 down for the repairs, and then 20% down for the house, 25%, you're still looking at a really good return. It's about at least a 50% return. So the numbers worked really well, and the timing, I couldn't have planned it better. You know, right when I bought it, the market just started going up, which I didn't even plan for. So it's a great home to keep as a rental. We just rented it for, I think, $2,100. The first weekend we put it on the market, we had like 2 people applying, and 2,100 broke a record in this neighborhood for something like this. So definitely a great investment. So if you're looking for getting started in the real estate game for renting or flipping, comment below, let me know what your adventure's been, or if you're looking for a deal. Mars Hill Realty, we manage in Virginia, Maryland, DC, and Texas, so call me. All right, this is Maddie and Edward, your favorite homeboy, signing out. Until next time.